So you're going to start by removing the post from the bike. Take your 3mm Allen key, slacken and remove the lever from the handlebars, just to give you maximum amount of cable to pull through for when you remove the post. Then slacken your seat binder bolt. So now time to remove the post, lifting the post while sliding through your cable to expose your actuator. Then where the cable enters the post, simply hold onto the cable, pull down and remove. For any other questions, go to sdgcomponents.com.